Manaus, the capital of the Amazon state in Brazil, is a vibrant and culturally rich destination. Located in the heart of the Amazon rainforest, Manaus offers a unique blend of natural beauty and urban charm. One of the best ways to truly appreciate the stunning landscape and architectural wonders of Manaus is through aerial views taken from a drone. These aerial shots offer a breathtaking view of this bustling city, set amidst lush greenery and winding waterways. The city of Manaus is known for its stunning landscape, surrounded by lush greenery and the majestic Amazon River. It serves as a gateway to the vast Amazon rainforest, making it an ideal starting point for ecotourism adventures and wildlife exploration. Tourism in Manaus has grown steadily in recent years due to its unique location and attractions. Visitors from all over the world come to see natural wonders, learn about indigenous cultures, and explore the vastness of the Amazon rainforest. In terms of tourist infrastructure, Manaus offers a wide range of accommodation options, from luxury hotels to inexpensive hostels. The local cuisine is also worth exploring. Traditional dishes showcase regional flavors and ingredients. If you're planning a trip to Brazil, consider adding Manaus to your itinerary. It's a charming place that offers a truly unforgettable travel experience filled with adventure, culture, and natural beauty.